Okay, good evening Marikina, good evening Metro Manila. Meron lang tayong short meeting with Team Oragon tonight. Bale, ano bang gagawin namin? It's going to be the distribution of t-shirt and planning for our ride. Yung ride namin, tsaka ko na lang kukwento sa inyo saan. We're going to finalize everything tonight. Let's see kung sinong darating. Hopefully magdatingan ng maaga yung mga kolokoy. Pero I think meron na kayong idea, no? Kung saan kami pupunta. Will be Team Oragon who we will be meeting tonight. I think the team is already excited for the upcoming trip. Bahala na si Batman again. Pero just the same, everybody looks forward to the trip next week. So also tonight we are testing the Boya wireless microphone. Now, ang setup ko ngayon is kinabit ko muna yung wireless receiver sa cellphone. Medyo matagal-tagal pala na setup yun. Kasi after that, i-on mo pa yung cellphone, then i-on mo pa yung GoPro. Tapos, after i-on lahat, umaandar na siya, it's already capturing data. Doon ko palang sinuot yung aking gloves na medyo tagal-tagal din. Yung gloves natin, na-break in na natin yung leather gloves. Hindi na tayo naka-cotton gloves. Masasabi ko lang, mas maganda talagang feeling ng leather. Pag nabasa siya, hindi gaano mabantot as compared dun sa nylon gloves natin. Na kung mabasa, medyo iba yung amoy. Hindi ko alam kung hindi pa lang fully soak yung leather, pero mukhang hindi mabantot. Anyway, kinuha ko leather gloves, dilaw, inspired by some makikisig na vloggers like DJ DLS. Shout out to you, Mr. De Los Santos. Ikaw yung aking, as I mentioned before, ikaw yung inspiration for these yellow leather gloves hunting. Anyway, sige po. I'm on my way to the meeting place of Team Oragon. It is going to be at our favorite donut shop here in Sumulong Highway na 24 hours. Yep, that's it. Si Dunkin Donut, second floor. Dunkin Donut, beke naman. Sino kaya ang mga darating tonight? Well, hopefully, nandun sila Beds kasi siya yung nasa kanya yung mga jersey na in-order namin. Oo, makakuha na nga yan. And then, let's plan the route. Ang alam ko lang, aalis kami ng 2 o'clock next week. We're going to be traveling at a partial pace to the east backdoor route towards Tayabas. And hopefully hit Lukban, Tayabas, kaya doon sa mga lubak-lubak ng Quezon by daylight para hindi tayo malubak pag madilim. Ayos ba? Okay. Tayo susumulong. Let's check later kung kamusta yung audio naman ng Boya wireless mic system. Galing, actually nabilib din ako. Kasi alam ko maraming bad trip pag yung puro wind noise sa capture. Well, anyway, malapit na tayo. Sige, so I'll see you later. Peace. Here we are at Dunkin Donuts. Hopefully, meron ng mga teammates dyan natin kung sino yung mga nandyan. Tayo una. Ay, hindi. Nandyan si Kuya Ulan. Ulan the Idol natin. Sila Beds at si Richard nandito na rin. So, di tayo ang una. Pero just the same, hopefully it's a good meeting. Peace. Hindi ko na-off ko. O kaway-kaway kayo. O yan, si Kuya Ulan, si Richard, si Beds. By the way, shout out to Miss Cynthia of Ride Safe Manila. They are our new jersey partners for this trip. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Cynthia and Ride Safe Manila. Ano, sabi nyo, ano? Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, attorney. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, attorney.
You got the power. Nothing's gonna get in your way. Salamin, salamin. Congratulations. Ay, congratulations. See you next week. Ready na po ang Team Oragon for next week. Yeah, 0.5 daw, 0.5. 0.5. Okay, there you have it. Tapos na po ang meeting namin, Team Oragon. Ang plan this Sunday, all of us attend the 6 a.m. Mass at Antipolo for good luck on our journey. Tapos, that's it. Susunod na rin pagkikita sa trip na po. Next Friday. Tentative alis, 1 a.m. So bukas naman, tingnan natin ha. Let's go to RS Moto. Palitan natin yung gulong to have it all ready para hindi na tayo alanganin. Okay, good evening. Time check, 10 p.m. Uwi na. Maraming salamat po. Peace.